Here are some steps for to add, edit, and delete blogs on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. 2. After logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Marketing tab, select the Blogs option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. You will be directed to a page where you can view the list of blogs. To add a new blog, click on the Add Blog button located in the top right corner of the page. 5. Fill out the form for your blog. This typically includes adding a banner image, title, and table of contents. You can also include a call to action button and link within the table of contents. 6. Once you have filled out the form, you can preview your blog before submitting it. Click on the preview button to see how your blog will appear. 7. If you are satisfied with the preview, click on the submit button to create your blog. 8. After submitting, your blog will be added to the list of blogs. You can view the list and manage your blogs by clicking on the respective icons provided in the table, such as the edit and delete icons. 9. To edit a blog, click on the edit icon associated with the blog you want to modify. This will allow you to make changes to the blog's content, banner image, title, table of contents, and other details. 10. To delete a blog, click on the delete icon associated with the blog you want to remove. Confirm the deletion when prompted to permanently remove the blog from your list. Please note that blogs published by Tool44 are public. They can be viewed by other users on the platform. 11. To view a blog, simply click on the title of the blog in the list. This will open the blog in view mode, allowing you to read its content. That's it. You have now learned how to add, edit, and delete blogs on tool44.com. Utilize this feature to create and manage your blog content effectively.